Hello, my name is Nurnisa binti Muhammad Laji.
Hello, my name is Asma Izati binti Azli.
Hello, my name is Nur Alia Shafiqah binti Yahya.
Hi, I am Izati and I will start explaining about compound interest. Questions 1. Explain briefly on the concept of compound interest and list of formulas that can be used in compound interest. The interest on a deposit or loan that is computed using the original principal as well as the interest that has accrued over time. Compound interest computations is based on the principal which change from time to time. The principal value increases from time to time according to the compound interest rate. These are the formula for compound interest, which are future value S equal P in bracket 1 plus I powered by N. Compound interest I equal S minus P. And lastly, present value P equal S in bracket 1 plus I powered by negative N. Let's go to the questions 2A. Mariam deposited 5,300 ringgit into a saving account that earned 12% compound monthly. How long will it take for the investment to become 8,544 and 80 cents? First, we need to find the value of I and M. For I, 0.12 divided by 12, we get 0.01. N equal MD, we get 12D. We will be using the formula S equal P in bracket 1 plus I powered by N because we have the value of S which is 8,544 and 80 cents. We can now insert the information into the formula. First, 8,544 and 80 cents divide by 5,300 and we will get 1.612, but we need to take the full answer in the calculator. Now we need to bring 12t in the front of. For these questions, we need to use log for the next calculation. Make sure to put log at both sides. After that, log 1.61 divided by log 1.01 and we get 48 for the answer. Lastly, 48 divided by 12 and the answer is 4. It means the investment takes 4 years to become 8,544 ringgit 80 cents.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Alia Shafiqah. So, I will continue for the next question is question 2B. Humaira opened a savings account which offered an interest rate at 4% compounded monthly with an initial deposit of 4,000 ringgit. 3 years later, she deposited another 1,000 ringgit into the same account. Determine the accumulated amount 8 years after the first saving and calculate the total interest earned. First, we must to make a timeline as a guide to make it easier to answer the question. Second, we must to find I, which is I equal to K over M equal to 0.04 over 12. Amount after 3 years, we use the formula of S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of M equal to 4,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 12 close bracket power of 12 open bracket 3 close bracket equal to 4,509 ringgit and 9 cents. Amount after adding 1,000 ringgit, P new equal to 4,509 and 9 cents plus 1,000 equal to 5,509 and 9 cents. Amount after 8 years, we use the formula of S equal to P new open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of N equal to 5,509 and 9 cents open bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 12 close bracket power of 12 open bracket 5 close bracket, equal to 6,726 ringgit and 58 cents. Interest from the first 3 years, we use the formula of I equal to S minus P equal to 4,509 and 9 cents minus 4,000 equal to 509 and 9 cents. Interest from 5 years later, we use the formula of I equal to S minus P new equal to 6,726 ringgit and 58 cents minus 5,509 ringgit and 9 cents equal to 1,217 ringgit and 49 cents. Total interest equal to 509 ringgit and 9 cents plus 1,217 ringgit and 49 cents equal to 1,726 ringgit and 58 cents. We continue to the next question is question 3. Explain in detail the concept of annuity and list the related formulas. An annuity is a sequence of payments made at regular time intervals. The time period in which these payments are made is called the term of the annuity, while payment period is interval between annuity payments. The future value S of an annuity of n payments of R ringgits each paid at the end of each investment period into an account that earns interest at the rate of I per period is given by S equal to R open bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I close bracket. Then, to find the amount of interest paid or earned can be found by subtracting the total amount paid from the future value I equal to S minus N R. The present value P of an annuity of n payments or R dollars each paid at the end of each investment period into an account that earns interest at the rate of I per period is A equal to R open bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n over I close bracket.
Question 4. Nadia purchased a car at 150,000. She needs to do repayment in equal monthly payment over 9 years at 7% compounded monthly. Find the equal monthly payment and the interest charge. 150,000 is our present value, which is A. 9 years is T, 7% is K, and compounded monthly shows that N is 12. Now, the question wants us to find equal monthly payment, which is R, and interest charge, which is I. Then, just put all the values on the calculator and we get the answer I. Next, question 4b. 3 years ago, Sarah deposited 1,500 ringgit every 3 months into a savings account that earns an interest rate of 9% compounded quarterly. She spent the whole balance in the account to make a deposit for her registration at a private university. I. Find the deposit amount that Sarah paid for her registration at a private university. From the question, the information that we can identify is 1,500 is R, 9% is K, compounded quarterly is N equals to 4. So first, we need to find the balance in the account that Sarah used to pay her registration at a private university. In simple, we can say that it is S. From the information that we have, we can proceed to calculate our S by using formula S equals to R and so on. And then we'll directly get 20,403 and 33 cents for our answer. Next, find the interest earned from the savings. So, question B2 requires us to find the interest, which is I. We can use the formula I equals to S minus NR, interest is S N R into the formula. Calculate that and we'll get 2,403 and 33 cents for I. Lastly, for question B3, upon studying in the university, Sarah obtained a loan of 70,000 at an interest rate of 5% compounded monthly. She promised to repay the debt through monthly installments over a period of 10 years. Determine the monthly payment amount. 7,000 ringgit is DA, 5% is K, compounded monthly is N equals to 12, and 10 years is T. The question wants us to find monthly payment, which is R, because we have the value of A. So we're going to use formula A equals to R and so on. Now we can insert all the information into the formula. And then we get 742 and 46 cents for our R. And that's all from us. Thank you for listening.